Hello and welcome. I have today for you this Notin motorhome Avila BCL, 749 centimeters in length. It's got a queen bed at the back. It's using a style which seems to be coming back slowly into fashion. Look at that price, 184,000. Wow, so it's going to be a pretty good vehicle for that price. 4 to 5 sleeping places, 230 centimeters in width, 295 external height. Got a bed there, and we can make another bed here should it at all be necessary. I really like the color scheme, plenty of space in here. Look at that wonderful mirror there, and the bed is of course behind it. Now, first time I saw this style layout, it created a bit of a stir. I think that was at CMT Trade Fair 2016, I think it was, if memory serves me correctly. And although this style did exist before then, and that was in an EuraMobil motorhome, there were a number of them until just before pre-COVID times, and then they seemed to stop. Anyway, so this sort of style is now one or two other manufacturers started doing this one again. It's got a very attractive rear layout. Now, when I say very attractive, of course, it depends on taste, so everybody is different. What we've got here, we've got a window there, and we've got a window on this side as well. To get up into bed, well, it may be, I don't know. It is quite high up, admittedly, but using the step maybe it isn't too bad. Note, we've also got drawers down here, which is an unusual feature in a motorhome. Or having said that, this layout isn't all that common. So space there for your mobile phones or your alarm clock or whatever it is, your empty beer cans, whatever it is you take to bed with you. And here, there's space also for the television. Now, coming into the washroom works on a 2 or 3 door principle. One door being here, another door being here, and of course we can close it by this sliding door here as well. If that's too much trouble for you, then you need a different layout. Having said that, if you're quite happy with this layout, in a 749 centimeter long vehicle, you've got a very large washroom, lots of space in here, so that may be a positive feature. You may say, and I accept this argument, you may be using the toilet and somebody else has to come through whilst you're in there. I do, of course, accept that argument. It's a perfectly good one. And right, so here got the drop down bed up the front. Kitchen comes with 2 burners, sink. This has got an oven. We've got a very compact kitchen block. Very nice, in my opinion, indirect lighting. Over here, freezer, fridge, same as all of them. And here we've got the thing that brings down the key, which will bring down the bed, which is up front. So that's now in the firing position. To bring it down here, I'll just bring it down one step, just a little bit so you can see. I'm assuming it's working, and that's it. Now, normally you'd have to put the beds, the chairs down as well, but I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to stop it here in this position. That's not all the way down. Please do bear that in mind. I didn't put the chairs down. I didn't take this bit out here as well, but that will give you an idea of the size of the bed. The bed came down quite quietly as well, although I've noticed the technology in drop down beds has improved. They're much quieter than they were only 3 or 4 years ago. So to get it to go back up, press this and goes up. Under the bed you'll find a net, and the under the mattress I should say, and then you can use that to stop you falling out at night if you think there's that type of a risk. Now note how the internal cabinets are sloped like this, and this will mean that more space can be obtained in there. A lot of space in there. Also, the way they're shaped here, I would hope that this means that you don't bump your head so easily on them while sitting here. L-shaped layout here. Obviously, as it's an L-shaped layout, there's space down there, and that is so when you're sitting here, you've got a seat belt, and you put your feet down there as well. Also note something which is a little more unusual, is to have these cabinets in this position as well. That's very unusual. Now the integrated front, that is extremely elegant. Also, I mean, to have these here over the driver's position, very good use of space, I think. Now the light, I do appreciate it's a matter of taste. It mightn't be for everyone. There's those that like it, and there's those who won't like it at all. That I appreciate. Air conditioning unit there. Up here we've got skylight, and I didn't show you this thing here. And there's your television, so you can watch the television with the chairs up front turned around. An original, very original vehicle. It's got a double floor. In the double floor, look how deep that space is there for storage. Also, it's heated. I don't quite know why you'd want to heat this. Maybe there's a reason. I'm sure there is one, but I don't know what it is. Also notice the heating in the floor down there as well. I mentioned the oven, but that gives you a better look at the size. In fact, I'll show you inside the oven. Oh, and that needs to be put in properly. And now it doesn't want to go back properly. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'll leave it like that for a moment. I'll come and sort that one out after I've finished. I think though that needs some attention. Yeah, you may be thinking that 2 hobs in the kitchen isn't enough. Oh, I'll show you the sink as well whilst I'm here. Yeah, nice deep sink. I like this kitchen. That to me is compact. I don't think more than 2 are necessary, although the people may say, well, paying nearly 200,000, then you want to have 3 hobs, and I do appreciate that one. Didn't show you this either. Pull out pantry, wine thing for bottles, and I didn't open this either, did I? There you go. I like this van, mind you. It's the cost though. 184 is a lot of cash, and there you can see the size of the garage. Absolutely enormous. So Avila BCL from Notin, door with a window and a place to keep the dogs lead. So if you find that interesting, then you might want to look at some more Notin vans. And I'm at CMT Trade Fair. I've got lots of videos about motorhomes. So thanks so much for being with me here today, and all the best. Bye for now.